Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to see your Reels watch history on Instagram step by step. First of all, you need to launch your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here on this page, tap on these three lines on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now go to the option of your activity. Here you will find everything which is connected to your account, like your likes, your comments, saves and more. So in the interactions, simply tap on the option of likes. This is the section that is going to show you every reel and the post that you have liked recently. That is basically your Reels watch history. So you can scroll it and you will see all of the reels that you have interacted with, including the ones that you double tapped while watching. Now, if you didn't like the reels but remember saving it, you can also go back one step, and here you can just simply tap on the option of saved. After that, you are going to see all of the reels that you have saved, and you can also get them from here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.